What's going on, you guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. I'm heading to the gym, gonna hit some shoulders and arms today. It's Thursday. I got Friday off of work tomorrow, so it's basically my Friday. Got a 3-day weekend. I'm super stoked on that. It's all about showing up for myself today. Gotta end the day strong, hit the gym. I hope you're taking care of yourself out there. Hope you're showing up for yourself and chasing what's most important to you. And with that being said, let's get to it. I wanted to say a quick thank you for 500 subscribers. That's a huge goal of mine, and I'm just incredibly grateful for your support. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit that sub button if you haven't already. Drop a like, drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. So, whole lot of BMW stuff over here, gym content, lifestyle content, car stuff, all that. So, if that's what you're interested in, you're in the right place. Again, thank you for the support. Without further ado, let's get to it. All right. What's going on? I hope you're having a good day out there wherever you're listening from. It's hot up here in Seattle, but other than that, I mean, I love the hot weather, don't get me wrong. It's just, once it's humid and hot, man, it starts to get a little much, so. But yeah, like I said, 500 subscribers. We hit that last night. I'm just so happy about that. It's been a goal of mine to get to 500 subscribers. My next goal is 1,000. We're just steadily growing the channel. So I'm super thankful. Very, very grateful for being able to document my life with this car and my story with this car and share that with you. So if you ever want to get an M4 like this or an M3 or, you know, whatever nice car you want to get, show you that it's possible. I firmly believe if I can do it, so can you. And always happy to, you know, read every comment, reply to every comment, talk with you on how I got here and help motivate you to get there too. And maybe it's not even a car, maybe you don't want to get a car, maybe it's something else in life. You know, I'm always happy to build connections and get to know others. Help each other out along the way. That's what life's all about, you know. That's what life's all about. But we're heading to the gym. We're gonna have a good lift. Like I was saying, it's my Friday basically. I got a 3-day weekend. I'm actually gonna go watch motocross this weekend. So that'll be cool. I've never watched motocross. I used to love watching it on TV when I was little. Used to love playing like the ATV games, you know. I can't remember what those were called. Like MX versus ATV. But yeah, should be a good weekend. Like I was saying in the beginning of the video, you know, it's all about showing up for myself lately. Just holding myself to a little bit of a higher standard. Putting myself first. Working hard. I hope that resonates with you. Whatever you're working hard towards in life, just keep going. Don't give up. It's an uphill battle. You know, pushing that rock up the hill, but eventually you'll get to where you want to be, and it'll feel sweet. I'm not exactly where I want to be, but I can see the light at the end of the tunnel, and it just makes me want to work even harder to get there. So, yep. So busy today in the gym, but we're gonna make the most of it. Shoulders and arms, like I said, I was doing shoulders and arms today, so I mean, I usually just, I don't go too crazy on it. I just get a few good core lifts in, like military press, side lateral raises, rear lateral raises. You know, hit all heads of the shoulder, and then get to working on arms. So that's a bad park job. Alright, made it safe and sound. Again, I really just want to thank you for supporting my hobby and my adventure of, I guess, just getting out of my shell and filming content and doing something I've always wanted to do, but I guess I've always been a little bit too shy to do. Get in front of the camera and whatnot. Anyways, beautiful day out, like I was saying. Cannot complain. Carbon fiber just shines in the sunlight. So, yeah, we're gonna get a good workout in. Let's get to it. Appreciate you for watching. If you haven't already, if you made it this far, hit that sub button. Support the adventure, join the fam. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.